Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. And today is going to be an interesting one. We've got a 20-mile-an-hour wind today, an outgoing tide, and it's a rough day. Our captains are likely going to have some struggles as they try and do battle with the inlet. Let's go ahead and get this competition started, and we'll step into our first round and see how our captain fares. Here we've got one of our Coast Guard safe boats coming out. Man, they take a blast to the face right up front. Our guy decides he's going to close the door. They've committed. They know it's going to be a rough day, but let's see how our boys in orange do as they try and make their way out of Haulover Inlet. They're taking that slow roll approach, which is a little unique for our Coast Guard boys. Usually we'll see these guys open the throttle up just a little bit to get this boat up on plane, but they're going to take it slow and easy. Sometimes that's what'll win the race, but that's not typically the best move here at Haulover, but let's see how it plays out for this crew. So far, so good, but they are starting to work out into the heavy rollers just outside the mouth of the inlet. And it looks like our Coast Guard crew might be able to make it out even with the slow roll approach without issue and possibly take a win for the... Oh no! Here at the last second, Haulover throws a haymaker, our boys stuff the bow, and will wind up taking a loss here in the first round. They just were taking that slow roll approach, and a lot of times when we see captains do that, especially on a rough day like today, Haulover's gonna make you pay, and even the boys in orange aren't immune to that. And they're gonna continue to make their way out of the inlet, but unfortunately for them, the damage has been done, and Haulover will take a win here in the first round. Now let's see if our second round contestant has any better luck than our first round as they prepare to step in the ring and do battle with Haulover. And here we're going to have a scout making its way out of Haulover Inlet. And this looks like a yacht tender based on the setup it has. And our man, he's making it out. He's got the boat just barely up on plane, but it's a rough day. And Haulover knocks him off a plane, and that's not good. This can cause issues, but he's going to try and get it back up. He's slowly, methodically trying to pick his way out of Haulover, and so far it looks like our captain might make it out and hopefully pull off a win for the boats. And no! Again, at the last second, Haulover just catches him off guard, and my man winds up stuffing the bow and getting the free Haulover deck rents. They'll continue to make their way out, but once again, Haulover's firing today. It's a rough day, and Haulover quickly will take a win here in the second round as well, which is going to give Haulover an early 2-0 lead. The boats definitely have an uphill battle if they plan to try and make a comeback in this competition. But let's go ahead and move into the third round and see if the boats can make that last stand. And here we've got an MTI making its way into Haulover. And right now they barely got this boat up on plane, which for a day like today is probably about the right pace. But let's see how their luck holds out as they try and make the way into the inlet and hopefully don't stuff the bow like our first two contestants. So far they look pretty solid. He's keeping a pretty good bow high attitude, and they're about into the mouth of the inlet and almost to safety, and it looks like our captain's going to make it in and start the comeback and hopefully get the boats on the right track as he'll take a win for the boats here in the third round. But the boats still have a lot of work in front of them if they want to try and pull a win out in this episode, and here we're going to have a Freeman making its way toward the mouth of the inlet. These boats are known for being Haulover killers, and let's see if it can live up to the hype here. They're making their way and they look pretty solid. This catamaran's definitely up on plane, which is definitely the goal for this type of boat. You really want to get behind the throttle on this, let it get on top of the water, and just kind of glide over the top of these waves. And this crew looks pretty solid. They're getting a few rolls in here at the end, but overall, no big deal. Haulover tries to throw them one right there at the end, but they're able to pull out. And our guys are going to make it into the mouth of the inlet without issue, and they're going to take a win for the boats, and that's going to bring us back to a 2-2 tie after 4 rounds. Surprisingly, the boats have found a way, even on this rough day, to make a comeback and make a competition out of it. And that'll take us into our 5th and final round. Who will take the win this week? Well, darn it, the boats appear to have thrown a ringer in here in the 5th round, and we may not even have a contest. And it looks like this Pershing is going to absolutely annihilate Haulover here in the 5th round, and that's going to give the boats the win in this episode, which is actually kind of a surprise upset after going down 2-0 early. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens in the boat ramps in South Florida. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.